What makes deep-sea creatures glow up? Imagine drifting into a midnight city where every lamp is alive. Flickers that lure, signals that hide, and flashes that speak. Why do deep-sea creatures glow? Down here, light is chemistry made visible. Bioluminescence, light born from molecules, starts with luciferin, a small molecule, and luciferase, an enzyme that flips the switch. The reaction releases a photon, a tiny, perfect pulse of blue-green light. Many animals grow light inside organs called photophores, microscopic lanterns with shutters, pigments, and lenses. They can aim, dim, and even change color. Some creatures outsource the job. Flashlight fish and certain anglerfish house glowing bacteria in special cavities. The animals cultivate them, feed them, and pocket their light like living lamps. Not every light is identical. Photoproteins like equorin and variations of luciferin produce different wavelengths. In the deep blue-green rains, it travels farthest. But some dragonfish evolved red bioluminescence, a secret torch invisible to most prey. This is not crude light, it's controlled. Muscles, nerves, and biochemistry combine so an animal can flash a greeting, bait an insect, or paint its belly to fade into the downwelling glow. Bioluminescence is a language. Precise, local, immediate. Some animals use light like a fishing rod. An anglerfish dangles a luminous lure, a living flashlight, and waits for the curious to come closer. Some predators strobe their lights, dazzling and confusing prey, then strike with impossible timing. But not all light is meant to attract. Much of it is meant to erase. Counterillumination is active camouflage. Animals match the faint, downwelling light, painting their bellies so predators below see nothing but sky. Bioluminescent animals talk. Tiny flashes become courtship calls, territorial warnings, or identity tags. For some species, a single timed flash is the difference between finding a mate and being alone. When threatened, some organisms put on a light show, a sudden shower of luminous mucus or released glowing particles that distract a predator while they flee. Deception runs deep. Some species mimic the light patterns of prey. Others fake the signature of a harmless animal to pass unnoticed. The deep is a theater of tricks. Taken together, these flashes form neighborhoods, courtship districts, hunting lanes, blackout zones. The deep sea becomes a living city, a map written in light. A few lineages evolved private wavelengths. Dragonfish and certain snappers produce red light, a secret torch that reveals prey which cannot see red. It is spycraft at molecular scale. For centuries, this city of light was unknown. Today, ROV pilots and deep divers ride through streaks of living light and send back footage that reshapes everything we thought about life's limits. Bioluminescence leapt from the abyss to the lab. Proteins like GFP and enzymes like luciferase became tools, glowing tags that let scientists watch cells breathe, tumors shrink, or genes awaken. From medical diagnostics to biosensors and even proposals for sustainable living lights, marine bioluminescence fuels human imagination. We borrowed nature's nightlight to illuminate our own science. Luminescent seas shaped myth and story. Sailors who saw ghost lights and poets who described sea fire. Today, those stories become data, and wonder becomes research. But this light show is fragile. Warming waters, acidification, expanding oxygen minimum zones, and human noise can change how bioluminescent species live and reproduce, potentially dimming parts of the deep's city. Mining the seafloor and microplastic pollution also threaten these communities. Sediment plumes and chemical contamination can smother whole neighborhoods of bioluminescent life. Protection starts with knowledge. better mapping, careful regulation of deep-sea industries, and funding for ROV and in-situ studies can keep the lights on. Citizen science and policy matter here as much as in any rainforest. We back away from the last glowing parade. For a moment, the city of living lights continues its rituals as it has for millennia. Hunting, courting, hiding. Each blink is survival, each shimmer a story of adaptation. Above, stars. Below, stars that breathe. The deep teaches us. In the blackest places, life rides its own light. What makes deep-sea creatures glow up? Not magic, but chemistry, history, and choice. Watch, wonder, and help keep the lights on. Subscribe for more deep blue secrets. Links in the description.